Dímelo mi gente, Marcucci here, giving me another video, and today we're going to be talking about Pinlink. And Pinlink, it's a token that hits on all the, I think there's 4 major categories this cycle, so like gaming, RWA, AI, and DePIN. And Pinlink hits the nail on 3 of those. So if we look down here, what they are is Pinlink is helping AI developers drive down their physical infrastructure costs by pioneering the first RWA-Tokenized DePIN protocol. So by allowing DePIN asset owners to tokenize their real-world assets, Pinlink opens up a whole world of new revenue streaming from AI-fi applications. Meanwhile, Pinlink transfers unique models for the world of RWA trading to provide AI developers with the lowest cost enterprise-grade computer power on the market. So yeah, it hits on every all the major topics except gaming, which, you know, who knows? Maybe they might get into gaming sometime soon. Anyways, it says $79 million in market cap. It's down almost 80% from its all-time high, so it's about 90 cents. All-time high was for 30 cents. From the all-time low, though, it is still up 3,587%. And if we look here, it's still up 3,282% all-time. So yeah, I haven't had a coin that got me this excited in a pretty long time. So yeah, if you like the content, if you like supporting the channel, please remember to leave a like and subscribe. You could also comment if you want, if you trust the Pinlink, if you like it, if you bought it, if you've used it. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get right into it. So this is the team. Lucas Orlowski, he was a VP of engineering at Engine Coin. If you haven't heard about it, we could talk about it. There's a video that I made about them already. Tamal Alamin, he's from Bahrain. I know Bahrain because Puerto Rico played against them in basketball. Adam Conover, he's a chief commercial officer, and he is in a lot of these on a lot of videos. So he's really bullish on the project. And then Jordan O'Neill, I really couldn't find anything about him. Fasih Hader, and Greg Ivanov. He's an advisor and the lead blockchain engineer. So the roadmap is not that extensive, which I appreciate. So phase 1 is only protocol owned DePIN assets accepted, and the second phase is opening up Pinlink to third-party DePIN asset owners. I love this initiative, so I think that's a step in the right direction. If you see here, this is their dashboard. I think it's testnet is not the main net just yet. If we look here, so if we look at OpenDApp, so they don't have like the marketplace or the categories just yet. So from what I understand, this might be the testnet. So estimated asset revenue, I don't know if asset revenue is what you're estimated or what they estimate in a day, but from yesterday to today, so it's been 20,000 PIN, which not that much, but hopefully, obviously, this increases in some time. So explore a diverse range of assets. So these are all their trending assets and how much you could buy them for and whatnot. I personally do not know much about GPUs or anything. So if these are good prices, definitely let me know. Pinlink is what, like 90 cents. So I guess this is about like $600, right? Which obviously not very cheap, but they are exploring selling fractional shares or fractional pieces. The first one just came out yesterday and it already sold out. So interested to see how many people will do the fractional shares. And then obviously here we have the different categories of GPUs, miners, nodes, DePIN hardware, AI agents, and the storage. AI agents is another topic that is really hot. in the crypto world right now. So interested to see how they develop that. Tokenomics look okay, decent. These two wallets control 40% of the supply. Their tokenomics look, from what I saw, we're okay. 74% goes to the top 100 holders, so not that bad. And if you look here, top 10 only holds 47%. So yeah, I mean 0.04, 0.06, 0.05, so not that much, right? Fairly, from the looks of it, fairly distributed. Only 18,000 holders, which is not that much. So if we see this here, like increase, definitely a huge potential. Considering they only have 24,000 followers, this is pretty good. We see here the selling out. So I forgot, 1 second, revenue. So the revenue, they are working around the clock to build the first 100 million plus revenue DePIN business by 2026. So really extremely hopeful. Really extremely hopeful. And our first batch of L9 miners has arrived, delivering a massive 1,120 gigahash rate, or GH hash rate, and forecasted to generate 90,000 in monthly revenue. So yeah, they look like they want to have big revenues out there. So let's see what they do. They also do buybacks, and buybacks don't do much for the price. Obviously, everything in crypto is selling off. So I wonder where the token would be without the buybacks, right? Let me see, buybacks. So another 25,000 buybacks, and this was in January 24. And if we look here, January 24, it increased a little bit. January 24 was here, right? And that was like around 7 or 8 o'clock. So it pumped a little bit and crashed back down. So really volatile. You could stake it too, which I think is pretty neat. Total value locked has since decreased. I saw the number in December was like 30 million in total value locked. Now is 17 million, but obviously it's to expect. Everything is kind of like crashing down. So, don't expect total value locked to be accordingly, right? So anyways, I mean, everything I looks pretty amazing, and they hit on all the different narratives, right? We don't know when crypto is going to go up. I think Bitcoin is going to go up eventually, so this might push up the price, right? I don't like this in an Ethereum-based token, but, it's whatever. I do think it's going to go up, but before buying, please interact with this. I'll leave it down in the description down below. But interact with it, buy something, do your own research, obviously. But yeah, buy it, see if you like it, see if you don't like it, if it works better than other protocols. And if you like it, potentially put something in. If you don't like it, then keep waiting until more and more news comes out, because I do think this potentially could be a good project. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and treat your thoughts in the comment section down below. And as always, please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.